Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to my day one Dinero review. We are going to be taking a close look at day one Dinero, and also, most importantly, I've actually put together some high value custom bonuses to get you even better results with day one Dinero. This is a training put together by Jonny Rose and Jamie, and this goes live on the 8th of November by 10 a.m. Eastern Time. This is my bonus page, and you'll find the link to this page in the description of this video. So in a nutshell, this is a training that shows you how to build your list. Now, let me just back up a little bit right there. So when we talk about making money online with internet marketing, with affiliate marketing, one thing you are going to quickly notice is that the people who are making the most amount of money online consistently are people who have their list. You know, just like you would recognize a rich person with a ton of money in their bank account, the assets, the most important asset that a super affiliate has would be their list. You know, like in the case of a real estate person, you know, who have a ton of properties here and there that are bringing money, you know, from rent and stuff like that, or from sales. The same way a super affiliate would have people on their list, a ton of people on their list who are actually buyers, and they can actually send out these emails and make money from these email promotions. So the challenge here is, as a newbie, if you are trying to build your list, it's going to be expensive, yeah, and also it's going to take some time. Now, day one Dinero actually shows you how to do that. In fact, actually shows you where you can just go and, you know, get started for free to build your list of up to 200 people, which would normally take you months, you know, to build, but you're going to be able to do this basically overnight and then start making money with your list. So that's what day one Dinero is about. So we're going to be taking a close look at this. This is the members area, but right now I'm going to show you the custom bonuses that I'm giving away to get you the best outcome with day one Dinero. So my first bonus, I'm going to be giving you my own active responsive email list of 800 plus subscribers, plus autoresponder software that you can use to mail these subscribers. Now you are going to be getting access to 200 email, 200 contacts with the front end, you know, 200 free buyer leads with the front end of day one Dinero, but I'm giving you 800 plus on top. Now you have your first 1,000 list. You have your first list of up to 1,000 subscribers that you can mail and start getting paid the same day, which is pretty cool. Now I'm giving you autoresponder software you can use to mail these leads to start driving in your own profits, and this is valued at about $3,000, but I'm giving this for free as my fourth bonus. Mind you, this is a limited time offer, so if you want to take advantage of this is only going to be available within the first 24 to 72 hours, after which I'm going to be taking this bonus down. Bonus number 2, you're going to be getting access to a cloud-based free traffic software that allows you to drive a ton of traffic using other people's video. Now you can actually place any links on these videos, and this works in any niche. This allows you to drive a ton of traffic to any link, any affiliate offer. You know, you want to send traffic to Warrior Plus offers and the Make Money Online niche, or any other offers from ClickBank, from JVZoo, in any niche, health and fitness. You can actually go and search for these videos, place links on them, make them show up at any point in time during the playback of the video, which is pretty cool. Now you can actually upload your old images and you can actually set this up so that when people actually click on these images, it's going to take them to any link you have actually set up. You get access to call to action buttons that you can actually use also in the cloud based software. This gives you some opportunities, some other opportunities to make money online, but let's just leave it at that. Now, my bonus number 3, you're going to be getting access to Facebook traffic software. This allows you to drive a ton of traffic from Facebook with automation. Now, not only are you going to be able to do this, you can actually offer this as a service, manage other people's businesses. Businesses can actually give you their pages to manage. You can actually schedule, you can drive a ton of traffic from this cloud-based Facebook traffic software. You also get access to Page Builder that allows you to profit even more easier. Now, bonus number 4, it is proven that offering bonuses with any affiliate offer works and actually makes people who would normally never buy through you decide that they want to buy through you just to get your bonuses. So therefore, offering bonuses actually has the potential to make you a ton of affiliate commissions, even on free traffic. So I'm giving you access to a bonus page creator software where the delivery pages are created automatically, so you don't have to do too much work. You are going to be getting access to done for you bonuses to present. You are going to be able to present them exactly the way you are looking at this page right here. You are going to be getting access to graphics and everything, delivery, everything is done for you. All you need to do is select an offer or create an offer and then select done for you bonuses, and even if you want, you can actually add your own bonuses and give them away also, which is pretty cool. This is a premium software you are going to be getting access to in my bonus number 4. Now, bonus number 5, I'm going to be showing you how to do email marketing right from inside of your WordPress website. Now, if you have a website, you have a WordPress website now, I'm going to be showing you how to do that without you having to pay monthly fees to Aweber or GetResponse, to send out emails at any time to your list. You're also going to find out how to manage your list, how to do everything without paying monthly fees at all. Also, bonus number 6, you're going to be getting access to a cloud-based software. This comes with done for you product reviews. Now, these product reviews have bonuses on these bonus pages that are also proven to get you the best conversions possible. So in the case of ClickBank now, all you need to do is go and get your ClickBank affiliate ID, come and add it to your profile, which is basically your ClickBank username. Come and add it to your profile, save, and then you are good to go. Now, all this done for you, high quality product reviews, become active with your own affiliate link, and you can start getting paid with this within just a few hours. Also, bonus number 7, one of the issues that newbie affiliate marketers face is they build their list, but they can't even make money with this list. Why? Because they don't know how to communicate with this list. They don't know they don't know what to say, how to get started with things and all that. Now you're going to be getting access to done for you affiliate marketing swipes that allow you to start building some awesome relationship with your list. And not only that, how to start making money with this list, because these swipes you can basically just copy and paste inside your affiliate links, and then you can start profiting instantly. And also bonus number 8, you're going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also, in addition to my own bonuses. How do you claim all these bonuses? Simply click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. If you click on any of these red buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of day One Dinero, where you are going to be able to pick up day One Dinero and where you are going to be getting full information about the training. So it says if your bank account is looking like a dry, barren land, watch us. Get $118 to $347 commission from fast-growing cash crops. Within 24 hours, we found a special growth formula that delivers your own personal money farm overnight. So this is put together by Jamie and Jonny. So feel free to come check out this sales page in your own time, anytime from 10 a.m. 8th of November, once day One Dinero goes live. You're also going to find proof of results right here. This is coming from people who actually make the money. So it's not just about talk here. And I've actually gone through this. This is so wonderful. You could never stumble upon this anywhere else. And Jonny actually has done some awesome work here. And this is one thing I completely recommend if making money online is something you are actually looking into. If that's something you really desire, you're going to get a ton of value here, and you would practically be on your way, to start getting some awesome results. So this is what the members area looks like. There's going to be a welcome video. There's also going to be the training here where Jonny is going to be showing you exactly how to do that without wasting your time and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. It also shows you even how to get premium autoresponder service for free, which is actually cool. Also, now let's talk about the pricing. The front end goes for a one-time fee of $16.47, but the earlier you come in, the better it's going to be for you, because the price is actually expected to go up and keep going up, even within the period of this launch. Now there are some optional upgrades. The first one is the done for you upsell that goes for $29 actually, but you can decline and pick that up for $19. Now, mind you, if all you get is just the front end, you still get access to all my bonuses. But these upgrades are also good. OTO number 2 is the 10x maximizer that goes for $97. You can decline that and pick it up for $47. And this allows you to get your hands on hundreds of high ticket monetization affiliate programs to start taking in the big money. That's OTO 2. OTO 3 is the partner with Jamie. This goes for $57, but you can decline and pick that up for $47. So imagine being able to meet with Jamie, the co-creator of the One Dinero, every week in an exclusive members only class. So this gives you access to the vendors. This is cool. OTO number 4 is the ultimate download that goes for $97. You can decline that and pick it up for $67. This is the ultimate business in a box. Not only will you be able to download actual advertising campaigns and keywords in the zip file, but it comes loaded with actual PSD templates. Those are PowerPoint templates, videos for white label use, and a ton of actual files and sites you can resell. So you're going to be getting access to a ton of resources here in OTO number 4. OTO number 5 is traffic on tap that goes for $27. You can decline that and pick that up for $17. Get your Day One Dinero affiliate promotions seen by hungry buyers, which will blast your Day One Dinero affiliate links. This is cool. This is kind of like a traffic upgrade. Upgrade number 6 is the marketplace that goes for $67. This allows you to post on the vendor's marketplace and make sales. You can decline this upgrade and pick it up for $37. The final upgrade is the vendor edition that goes for $197. You can decline and pick that up for $97. Users will obtain resale rights to 5 of Jamie's most high converting funnels. This is only offered as an exclusive upgrade and is not available anywhere else on the internet. So that's going to be my review of Day One Dinero. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.